Hello children, I am your teacher and today we are going to learn general knowledge. So last day, what did you learn in general knowledge? You learned about different feelings, right? Feeling of sad, when you feel sad, then happy, angry, surprised, right? Many feelings you have learned, proud. So let us see which topic we are going to learn today, okay? Today we are going to learn about keeping safe, okay? What is the meaning keeping safe? Let us see. When you are away from your caretaker, follow these tips to remain safe. Away from your caretaker means who is the caretaker at your home? Your parents or your grandparents. Okay, when your parents are, if your grandparents are staying with you, they will also be your caretaker. Then caretakers in your schools, when you go to school, your teachers and whoever teachers, the helpers of your teachers, the mossis, whoever is there, they are your caretakers, okay? And when you are away from these people, means when you are at home and there is your parents or your grandparents are not near you, and when you are in your school, you are playing in your garden, or if after the school you are going back home, like that, on all those situations when none of your caretakers are with you, you are alone, okay? None of your parents, grandparents or your elders, your teachers or mossis are not there with you, then how you can, what are the things you have to, what are the tips you have to take care of, follow, all the tips you have to follow to keep yourself safe. That is what you are going to learn now, okay? Stranger, danger. Stranger, what is the meaning of stranger? People whom you have not seen before, whom you don't know, okay? They are strangers, means they are not your relatives, your family members, not your father's friends or anyone like that, no one whom you know, okay? They are called strangers. Now here this is a stranger, okay, in the picture, and here a boy is standing over here, okay? Now what is the stranger having? He's having chocolates in his hand and he's offering, come on boy, take this chocolate. So what will you do? If you are standing alone, no caretaker with you, your parents or teachers, no one is there with you, and some stranger comes, a person whom you don't know comes and says, come on, take this chocolate. Will you take the chocolate? Should you take the chocolate? No. Say no if you are offered sweets and chocolates. You know why? These people, some people can be good people, but these people can be bad people, okay? They are offering chocolates. Why? They will put some medicines or something which are not good for your health in the chocolates, which might make you become unconscious. You will start sleeping pills or something they will put, okay? And what will they do? They are giving such chocolate so that if you eat that, you will become tired and he can take you away, okay? He will kidnap you or something like that, okay? It can happen sometimes, that may be a good person, but strangers usually, why will some stranger come and give you chocolate? No, you will only people who knows you will give you chocolate, right? Strangers, there is no need for strangers to give you chocolate. So always say, no, I don't want chocolate. I don't want chocolate. Okay. So he will not, he won't be able to do any harm to you. The chocolate might be having something bad that might make you tired or weak, and he might take you away, okay? So that is dangerous, okay? So say no to if some stranger offers you sweet or chocolates. Next one. Do not accept any gifts or present from a stranger. See, a stranger is standing here and what? And he's having balloons in his hands, and anyone like this, a stranger comes and tells you, come on, take this gift, come on, take this balloon, come on, take this toy, like that. Children like toys and balloons, right? So what they are doing, they are trying to give you gifts and balloons or something, so that you will take it from them, and they can slowly take you away. Okay, that is why strangers are giving you gifts. Strangers never give gifts to everyone, every child they see, right? Why do they have to give gifts? You get gifts from your relatives, your friends, right? So don't accept gifts, any gift or presents from strangers. Okay, say no, I don't want gift. I don't know that person means, you don't know that person means don't take any gifts or presents from strangers. So don't take any chocolates, don't take any presents. Okay, next one. If a stranger offers to drop you home, refuse to go with him. See, this girl is coming back from school, and the stranger is saying, come with me, I will take you home. Okay, he might be having a bike. Come on, sit in my bike, in my car, I will take you to your house. Say no, I will go myself. Okay, don't, if a stranger offers to drop you home, say no, I will go myself, I don't want you to drop me. Okay, so this is what you will do when you see some strangers. All the tips you have to follow. Okay, next one. What is the next case? Be alert and look before opening the door to a stranger. If your parents, if your mother or father, they are taking bath or they are busy, they might tell you, come on, go and see. And if someone knocks at your door or rings the bell, so you have to go and see who is there, right? So you have to look through the hole that will be in your door. When the bell rings, there might be a camera in your house, some people might be having, and you can see whoever is standing outside. Only after seeing whoever is standing outside, if that person is someone you know, okay, your friend or your neighbor, then only you should open the door. For strangers, don't open the door. Strangers might be a thief also. If you open the door, they see a small child like you, they will push you back and get inside the house, and they might steal the things. Okay, so never open the door to a stranger. And your parents might be busy inside, they might not steal things, they might even if you open the door, they might snatch you away, take you away. Okay, and your parents are busy, they might not even hear what has happened. Okay, and sometimes you might be alone also at home, right? In that case also, some strangers might come, but don't open the door. So these are the tips to follow to keep yourself safe. Say no if any stranger offers sweets or chocolates. Say no if they offer, do not accept any gifts or present from a stranger. If a stranger says, I will drop you at home, say no. Then don't open the door for strangers. Okay, so when someone knocks and when you are alone someone knocks or rings the bell, you should not open. You should first see who is at the door, then only open. If it is a stranger, someone you don't know, don't open the door. So these are the things to follow to keep you safe. Okay, now tomorrow we'll learn something new. Okay, children. Till then, bye children.